Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to change the language for Google services. Open your favorite browser. Go to accounts.google.com. In the left sidebar, click on Personal Info. Scroll down. Under General Preferences for the web section, click on Language. Currently, our preferred language is set to English. To change this, click the pencil icon next to it. Search for your favorite language. Choose the language and click Select. That's it. Your preferred language is changed. This is how you can change the language for Google services. Thank you for watching.